Your refrigerator might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Hearing noises? Don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Your new high-efficiency refrigerator makes a variety of sounds you might not be familiar with. Here's how to identify them. Boiling, gurgling. That's refrigerant flowing through the evaporator. Hissing, sizzling. Water dripping on the defrost heater during a defrost cycle. After defrosting, you might hear a popping sound as well. Clunking. The happy sound of ice cubes falling into the ice bin. Thumping, water running. Also the ice maker. The fan, water valve activation, and refrigerant gas. Snapping, clicking. The electronic control and automatic defrost control when the cooling system turns on and off. Buzzing, just the water valve opening to fill the ice maker. Water dripping. Water dripping into the drain pan during the defrost cycle. Vibrating, humming. The high-efficiency compressor, motorized perfect temp drawer damper, or motorized damper humming along nicely. When this sound stops, it's the perfect temp drawer fan shutting off when the door is opened, or the perfect temp drawer is turned off. Snapping, clicking, popping. That's the mechanism that opens and closes the ice chute. And finally, rushing, blowing, whistling air. Forced air from the evaporator fan, condenser fan, or condenser. That should do it. All the sounds of your refrigerator working smoothly. You've got this.